Welcome to this instructional video on Hunter solvent boss adapters. Alongside your branch or boss pipe, you will also require your selected boss adapter based upon the waste pipe size you are using, some solvent cement, a drill, complete with 48mm hole cutter. Firstly, locate the dimple shown in the centre of the closed boss. Then, whilst making sure everything is secure, start using your drill to create the hole necessary to allow flow of water. Once you have created your hole, choose your selected boss adapter. You will notice there is a top marker shown on the boss adapter which indicates the correct orientation required in order to allow the necessary drop on your waste pipe. For 32 and 40mm adapters, you will want to create a layer of adhesive on the inside of the boss by using your solvent cement. It is also a good idea to put a layer on the outside of your boss adapter. This will help ensure you create an odour and watertight fit. You can then place your boss adapter over your pre-drilled boss and push securely to install. For our 50mm adapter, you will want to place a layer of solvent cement on the outside of the boss as well as a layer on the inside of your boss adapter. You can then, once again, position your boss adapter and push to install. For more information on products or installation, please visit the Learning Centre on the Hunter website.